So, you've got a device you no longer need on your Neon account? Maybe it's an old phone, a tablet you haven't touched in ages, or a device that's simply seen better days. Whatever the reason, removing it from your Neon account is a straightforward process. Let's dive in. Why would you want to remove a device? Well, it could be for a few reasons. Perhaps you're decluttering your digital life, or maybe you're concerned about security. Removing a device can help you protect your personal information and ensure that your account remains secure. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Neon account. Start by logging into your Neon account on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're using the most up-to-date version of the Neon app or website. Navigate to your device settings. Once you're logged in, look for the Devices or My Devices section. This is typically found in your account settings or profile. Select the device to remove. From the list of devices, identify the one you want to remove. Click on it to open its details. Initiate the removal process. Look for a button or option labeled Remove Device, Delete Device, or something similar. Click on it to start the removal process. Confirm the removal. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Double-check that you're removing the correct device before proceeding. Complete the process. Follow any additional instructions provided by Neon. This might involve entering a password or security code. Additional tips. Security best practices. If you're concerned about security, consider factory resetting the device before removing it from your account. This will erase all your personal data and prevent unauthorized access. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the removal process, try logging out of your account and logging back in. You can also reach out to Neon's customer support for assistance. Removing a device from your Neon account is a simple process that can help you maintain your account's security and privacy. By following these steps, you can easily declutter your digital life and protect your personal information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.